Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Daniel Adegoboye. I just discovered this new website in Nigeria. This website, though it is new, but it has the tendency of paying and being real. So today's video, I'm going to give you an in-depth analysis of Nairagram. The name is Nairagram, but the website link is dl4games.com.ng. So I'll put the link below. Just click on the link below, then you begin to make money. This thing is very simple. I don't want to say it is crazy because it's actually simple. And so far, let me just show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. They have made 819 naira by, as you can see the date. This is today's date, December 13, 2021. So, and this is the time, just few hours ago. If you can check the time now, just few hours ago, and I've made this amount, and it's very easy. As in, it's just easy for me to just make this amount, and I can know that before today goes to an end, I'm going to make more than this. I don't want to keep this to myself, so that's why I decided to put it to everyone on this platform because all of you are all wonderful to me. So I'll put the link below. Just click on the link below and register. So let me just tell you what all this is all about. Literally, Nairagram is all about you turning your social media into money. So Nairagram or dl4games, using your social media account to share ads, refer people, and get paid directly to your bank account. So now, how do you earn? Earning is very simple. So you can just earn by just clicking on the link below and you register. Immediately you register with my link below, you'll be given 500 naira sign up bonus. So you can hear that again. When you register with the link below, you'll be given 500 naira sign up bonus. It's very simple, and I want to tell you a lot about that. And one other thing is that when you read every news, as you are seeing here, for you reading any news, they'll give you 10 naira. For you commenting, they also give you 10 naira. But literally, so far, when I just tried, they only pay me for the comments. They didn't pay me for the reading of the news. Nevertheless, I was actually paid. So there are all the news you can read. Just imagine you read this one, 10 naira, 10 naira, 10 naira. You comment everything, 10 naira. Just let's count here. This 6, this 9, this 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. 2021, and that's still other news. You can click on next. Just for example, just read news here. So you have already made 210 naira by just reading news. And literally, there are people that have made money here. So they show that this people has made money, like Akinroye, Folution, Moses. He has made 120,000 naira. Okay, let me tell you that joining this platform is free. You're not paying any money whatsoever. That is the reason why I even decided to bring this platform to everybody, because if per anything happens, you're not losing. What did I say? You're not losing because you're not putting any money whatsoever. So how does this work? So let's come to how it works here. Let me click on how it works here and show you how it works. There's sometimes that you click on this website that the Cloudflare will just like to check if your website, if your means of coming here is real or not. So literally you just have to be patient for you just finish loading. So I also discovered that about this website. So how does it work? Let's wait for this to load briefly, and I will show you how it works. So what is Nairagram? Nairagram, so it's an online business platform that enables Nigeria to make legitimate money. Especially this season of Christmas, or anytime you're watching this video, you need to make money, and you have to make money ahead. You don't just go on your social media and just laughing. You have to use your phone to start making money, your laptop or any of your device to start making money, and you have to join now. Click on the link below and join and start making money. It's very simple. So you just do tasks like that. So immediately you click on the link below and you join, you begin 500 naira sign up bonus, as I've said earlier, and you will earn 120 naira when you share when you share a special ad with families and friends. Let me tell you, actually I was paid 200 naira, not 120. I don't know how they did that for me. I was paid 200 naira, but nevertheless, you will be paid from 120 to 200 naira for one single ad that you share. I'm going to show you everything how you can also share the ad. It's very simple. So, and you for reading comments, you for reading ad or playing game, anything at all you're doing, you pay 10 naira, and for commenting you also be paying 10 naira, and for refer you be pay 200 naira. For refer is very easy. And no, refer is optional, though it's optional. So they will not tell you to refer. It's not much to refer. Without even referring, you earn your money. Then when you create a emotional video, you earn 1,000 naira, and they have a draw, give out or raffle draw of 50k or 5,000 naira airtime. So actually I've not tested all this one out yet. I don't know how that is going to be, but I want to like about this from that it is giving me hope that it is real. I can see tendency that it is real there. Now, how can you withdraw your money? So you withdraw your money every first of the month. So for example, if you start now, by January 1st, you're going to withdraw your money. So you're going to withdraw money once you have reached 7,000 threshold. So the money you can withdraw is 7,000 naira. And for you to reach this threshold, it is easy. It is just easy. Just start now, and you see that within a week, within a week or 2 weeks, you have reached this 7,000 naira. It's very easy, and you just withdraw it into your account number. So I'm going to show you everything in a little while. Just stay with me. Do not skip any part. It's important you watch this video before you begin to do any other thing. Then for your refer, when you refer reach 5,000 naira, you're able to withdraw it. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to, as I always do, immediately I create a video and it is time for me to withdraw, I'm going to create another video to prove that it is real. So if I'm actually paid on this platform, I'm going to create a video to show you that it is real. And if I'm not paid, I'm also going to create a video to show that it is not real. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's just jump right into it and start making money. So, to get started, just click on register. Okay, you click on the link below. Actually, when you click on the link below, you will go straight to where you can register. So, since I'm on laptop here, I'm unable to see. I don't know the way they create this platform is actually created on WordPress. I can feed this up because I'm a website designer. I also work with WordPress. So on my laptop, I'm unable to see this place. Probably they did not make this very well, but I'll just reduce it back to. So when I reduce it back to phone size, I'm unable to see it. So literally, when you click on the link below, just sign up and you do every other thing that is here. You sign up, you do every other thing. Then automatically you will be opportunity to log in. So you can click on the link below, sign up, and register. So me, I've already have an account with them. I'm not going to log in again to my account. So I'm going to show you how things is being done, how I can be able to make money and do every other thing. Literally, this is my own account here. I just have to close this one now because I'm actually logging in afresh. Here you go. So now I'm into my account now. As you can see, I cannot see the login again. I can only see the logout. So I'm into my account now. And let me show you my account. My money now is 890 naira. So let me do some activities and show you how this works. So I'm going to come here and click on read news. So if you are using phone, for example, it's going to be like this. So you just click on read news here. So I'm just going to read news and see. Just note the amount I have here now is 890 naira. And when I click on read news, so it's good. It take me directly to where I can read news. So let me just see. Let me read this news. I've actually read some of this before. So let me just read this one. And you see what's going to happen to from the 890 naira, you see the difference that's going to occur. So literally, I'm just going to read through this news. Okay, the main event for this year, you can just read it. Actually, read it. Read it. Okay, I'm just going to come here and just I'm going to put love. This is still loading. It's still loading up here. So yeah, it's appearing little by little to me. One thing I also like about website that they actually have ad now. The ad even shows that they are real to some extent because those like veraltrade.com also have ad, and so definitely those actually pay because as you are come to this platform, as you are doing every activities, you are actually Google ad is actually paying them. So the chances that you also get paid. It is easy as like that. So I'm going to click on love. I'm going to love this like that. Then I'm going to come down. Actually, it's not a must to click on the love. You can decide not to click on the love. It's nobody's problem. So let me click on the love again. Okay, they should know that I actually love the article. They are just see what other people are commenting about here. You can actually read it too, so you can give a real comment. So I'm just going to come down here. So many people have been on this platform. You can see so many comments. So I don't think you should sleep on this. You should start now. Start now and start making money. Do not let this opportunity to pass you by. Do not just okay, I'll do this later, I'll do that later. So I'm just going to come down to where I can also comment here. So I'm just going to scroll down. There are thousands of comments already. So I'm just going to see what people are saying. I'll say this is amazing. This is amazing. So I'm going to comment this is amazing. So okay, excuse me please. Okay, so I'm just going to come down here. Since I've commented this is amazing, I'm just going to click on post comment. So now I've already posted my comments now. So you see the one that is going to happen. So when my comment has finally posted, I see okay, it has finally gone though. So let me go back to my account and let's see what's going to happen to my account. Remember that it was before it was 890 naira. Let's see if the money has been added, if the 10 naira has been added or 20 naira, depending on the amount they're going to add for me here. So let me just come up here. My comment has been added successfully. So let me come back to my account. So I'm going to wait for that to just finish loading and click on account. Okay, still loading. I don't know why. Probably it's my network that is slow. Okay, just wait for that to just do its things, and I want the account to permit me to click on now. Actually, this website is still loading now. I think it's my network. My network is slow here. Okay, I just have to wait for that to just finish doing what it wants to do because I can literally not click anything on set except that's fully loaded. Alright, so let's just okay now it has gone. So I'm going to click on my accounts here and let's see if I've been paid. Let's see if I've been paid. Wow, as you can see, I've been paid. How much have I? I was paid 20 naira. Well, you can see that this is actually real. I was paid 20 naira from 890 now. I have 910. I'm actually making before I even. I'm sure that before today's end comes to an end, I'm going to make quite a lot of money. It's very easy because I just make 990 naira now, and so by just reading it, just click on news, read news. So just read all the old news is there. Read all the news and make all the money you want to make. And there's still news upon news, so you can make money. Now that money ways you can make money is to post a sponsored ad. So to post sponsored ad, just come up here. You see where they put sponsored post. Okay, sponsored post. So if you are using phone, you see it should be somewhere around. Okay, click on this amber button here. you see sponsor post here. But since I'm using laptop, so it just appear up here. Let me close this. Just appear up here. I'm going to click on sponsor post here. So I'm going to upload a post. Literally, I've done this morning. I've done this one this morning. So let me come to this second one here and click on it, and I'm going to post it on my Facebook. Literally, the only place you can post sponsor post to is Facebook. So when you click on it, you come down here. You just come down. So it's going to open a little while. You come down. I believe you are getting value in this video. Please, if you are getting value in this video, if you're not subscribed, can you click on the red button to subscribe? Because I could go out there, give you the most reliable website where you can make money online, and I give you if it is real or not. Literally, when you just come, you just click on download this image. You click on download this image. Please do not screenshot the image. You have to download the image. So you grab. I'm going to download the image on my laptop now, so it's already getting downloaded on my laptop here. So if it's phone, you see it downloaded on your phone. All you have to do is just to copy the image and put it, copy this to Clickboard. Just click on copy to Clickboard here. When you click on copy to Clickboard, so literally every text in this place is going to get copied. So I'm only clicking, it's already shake. So I'm going to come to my Facebook here and post it on my Facebook. So it's very simple, literally simple. I just going to come here and click my Facebook here. I'm going to Ctrl V it and put it there like that. Then I'm going to put the image, this image here. I'm just going to put, so if you do not put the image, because I've already put this their website here, it's going to just come to their website straight. So you're able to put this image. I just drag. Let's see, drag and pull. Okay, I just drag and pull. But if you're using Facebook phone, just go to where image and put it there. That's the way you upload photos on Facebook, definitely. So this is it here. That being done, I'm just going to click on post. So I'm going to click on post. So when I click on post, let's see what's going to happen. So what I'm posting on my Facebook, definitely here now. I can actually later on, leave it all. Okay, I'm just going to come back to this place here where I've put in my this thing. I'm going to click here to end. So I'm going to click here. It's going to take me to one website that's on WordPress, so mq.me. So this is going to take me here. I'm just going to come back to my website here. I think probably they need to work on that, not just taking me to their website there. So I'm going to click on account and let's see if my account has been credited. Now you have 910 naira, right? So let's see if my account has been credited. Okay. Okay, I was actually credited with 10 naira. Wow, that is amazing. But the reason why I was actually credited with 10 naira, let me tell you the reason why, is because the one I just uploaded now, the sponsor ad I was just uploaded now was the one of yesterday. When I did the one of today, I was giving 200 naira because literally you see the sponsor ad for each day. Share you gap special ad for each day. So that's why my money now is just 920. So if you go and do the one of today, so you see the one of today, it's going to be somewhere. Okay, let me close this. The sponsor ad of today, you see it. I've actually done that before today, and I've been paid. So when you just come to sponsor ad, let me open this in a new tab here. Come to sponsor ad here, you see the sponsor ad of today. So literally, you just have to jump into this website. I must tell you, and you're not losing anything. Why you're not losing anything? Because you're not actually putting your money. It is free, and it's not as if you spend the whole day doing it. Just come once in a while, read news, comment, and you get your money. Read this comment and get your money. And that way you can make money is through referral. So when you refer anybody you refer here, is that you're going to get 200 naira for that person to that person you get 200 naira. The person will get 500 naira. So it's very simple. So when you click on my link below and register, I will be paid 200 naira for referring you. You get 500 naira for joining the platform. It's simple like that. So literally you can make money by just reading news. You read news, you comment news, or you post, you put the sponsored ad, each day sponsored ad on your Facebook, and you get paid. Automatically get paid about 120 to 200 naira. So ladies and gentlemen, it's important you start now. I just advise you to just start now. Do not wait till tomorrow. Start making money now. Christmas is coming, or if you're watching this video after Christmas and this website is still live, it's still our advice you start making use of it now. Do not put the money on the table and say I will start later. Start now. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So as I've said earlier, my name is Nairagram for Money Biz. I go outside to create video on how you can make money online and how to be more productive in your businesses. So don't forget, click on the link below, register, and start making money. I look forward to see you in the next video. Okay, before I go, let's talk about how you can receive your payment. So you click on payment here. I can see payment here. So when you click on payment here, it's going to take to where you can actually put your details, your bank details. So at first I was unable to get my bank details there. So they say you should put it there. So you see where they put here. This here is what you're going to click on. Let me see how it's going to look on phone. So literally on phone, you see where they put this here. So if you try to click any of that thing, it's not going to go except this here. Okay, let me come down a bit. So except this here. So you just click on this here. That is on your smartphone, but on laptop you should also click on the ear. So it's going to be different, as in the size will be different. Then all you have to do literally is to put in your account details. I've already put my own account details and I'm good to go. So when it's time for me to withdraw, I'll just click on withdraw, and the money is going to get withdrawn into my account. It is simple and straightforward. So this is my payment details here. I can do this again. You can come here and click on payment details, and you see your payment details. So immediately I've reached the point, you'll be paid. You'll be paid every first day of the month, so or the 27th of the month for your referral. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can begin to make money. Just start jumping on it here and start making money. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like to subscribe, give this video a top up, and look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you so much.